the channel where we bring you the most detailed insights, reviews, and futuristic innovations in the automobile world. Today, we are going to talk about one of the most unique and powerful concepts that has taken the automotive and adventure community by storm: the 2026 Toyota Sprinter 6x6 Armored Camper. This machine is not just a vehicle. It is a statement of engineering excellence, a perfect blend of rugged off-road capability, armored protection, and luxurious comfort for those who want to explore the world without limitations. The 2026 Toyota Sprinter 6x6 Armored Camper has been designed with one vision in mind: to provide maximum security, durability, and independence for adventurers, military enthusiasts, and off-grid travelers. Unlike traditional campers that only focus on comfort, this vehicle brings together defense-grade armor plating, bulletproof glass, reinforced chassis, and six-wheel drive technology, ensuring that it can survive the harshest terrains and the toughest environments. At first glance, the Sprinter 6x6 Armored Camper looks like a massive, intimidating beast on wheels. Its tall stance, muscular body lines, and heavy-duty exterior give it a commanding presence, making it stand apart from any conventional motorhome. Toyota engineers worked extensively to create a platform that combines the reliability of the Sprinter name with the innovation of a six-wheel drive system. This vehicle comes with a high-strength steel frame, integrated armored panels, and underbody protection capable of resisting explosions and rough ground impacts. The 6x6 drivetrain has been finely tuned to distribute torque evenly, giving each wheel enough power to handle muddy tracks, rocky mountain paths, sandy deserts, or even snow-filled routes. It is not just an off-road machine, but a fortress on wheels designed for ultimate survivability. Under the hood, the 2026 Toyota Sprinter 6x6 Armored Camper comes equipped with a hybrid turbo-diesel powertrain that produces an enormous amount of torque, crucial for hauling the heavy armored structure while still maintaining efficiency. The hybrid system provides additional electric assistance, which ensures smooth acceleration and reduces fuel consumption during long expeditions. With a fuel tank capacity optimized for extended travel, combined with solar charging roof panels and auxiliary battery packs, this camper allows explorers to remain off-grid for weeks without needing to refuel or recharge. The exterior of the Sprinter Armored Camper is as intimidating as it is practical. It features a modular design that can be customized based on the owner's requirements. Equipped with roof racks for storage, tactical floodlights for nighttime expeditions, and integrated drone launchers for aerial reconnaissance, it gives adventure a whole new meaning. The armored doors and reinforced hinges provide the ultimate security against external threats, while the bulletproof glass ensures safety without compromising visibility. The 6 massive all-terrain tires, coupled with advanced suspension systems, absorb shocks and bumps with ease, giving passengers a surprisingly smooth ride despite the rugged conditions outside. Inside, the Toyota Sprinter 6x6 Armored Camper redefines the concept of luxury survival. The cabin is designed to be a fully functional living space with sleeping quarters, a compact kitchen, bathroom facilities, and advanced entertainment systems. High-quality materials like leather, carbon fiber, and lightweight composites create a premium feel. Despite being an armored vehicle, the cabin is insulated for comfort, maintaining optimum temperatures regardless of the environment outside. The advanced climate control system ensures warmth in freezing climates and cooling in scorching deserts. The driver's cockpit feels like stepping into the future of motoring. The dashboard is fully digital, with augmented reality displays that provide real-time terrain scanning, vehicle diagnostics, and navigation data. The AI-assisted driving system enhances safety by monitoring road conditions, providing automatic obstacle detection, and suggesting alternate routes. The steering wheel and controls have been designed ergonomically, keeping long driving hours in mind. There is also an integrated satellite communication system, allowing travelers to stay connected even in the most remote parts of the world where traditional networks fail. One of the most fascinating aspects of this vehicle is its self-defense technology. Being armored, it is already capable of withstanding small arms fire. But Toyota has also included optional defensive systems such as run-flat tires, smokescreen emitters, and night vision cameras. These features make it ideal not just for adventurers, but also for security professionals, journalists traveling in conflict zones, or military support missions. It is a rare combination of civilian comfort and defense-grade safety. Another highlight of the Sprinter 6x6 armored camper is its off-grid capability. It comes equipped with rooftop solar panels that recharge the onboard batteries, powering everything from lighting to appliances inside. The water purification system ensures clean drinking water even in remote wilderness areas. Large storage compartments allow users to carry supplies for weeks, making it the perfect vehicle for long-term exploration. Toyota has also integrated a smart energy management system that prioritizes power distribution, ensuring no essential system ever runs out of energy. For families or groups who want to explore together, the Sprinter offers modular seating arrangements, expandable living quarters, and smart furniture design that maximizes available space. The retractable awnings and outdoor kitchen extensions make camping more enjoyable, while the security systems ensure peace of mind during the night. The lighting inside can be adjusted to different moods, and soundproofing ensures that travelers enjoy quiet rest regardless of the outside environment. Performance-wise, the 2026 Toyota Sprinter 6x6 armored camper is an absolute powerhouse. It can climb steep gradients, wade through rivers, and cross rocky terrain with ease. Thanks to its six-wheel configuration, it distributes load evenly and maintains stability even on uneven surfaces. The adaptive suspension system adjusts itself in real time, ensuring that the ride remains comfortable whether on highways or off-road tracks. The braking system is equally advanced, featuring oversized armored disc brakes and regenerative braking technology to recover energy while slowing down. The camper also comes with futuristic automation features such as drone-assisted scouting. The integrated drone system can map out terrain ahead, identify obstacles, or simply capture breathtaking footage of the journey. This adds another layer of safety and convenience, especially when venturing into unknown territories. Additionally, Toyota has integrated a security perimeter system, which alerts the occupants if there is any unusual movement around the vehicle when parked. Sustainability has also been kept in mind while designing this machine. Despite its armored build and massive size, Toyota has worked on making it as eco-friendly as possible with its hybrid engine, solar charging, and energy recycling systems. This makes it not only a powerful camper, but also a responsible step towards reducing the environmental impact of off-grid adventures. The 2026 Toyota Sprinter 6x6 armored camper is not just a vehicle. It is a dream come true for explorers, survivalists, and off-road enthusiasts. It combines the strength of a military vehicle, the comfort of a luxury camper, and the independence of a fully self-sustaining home on wheels. Whether it is crossing deserts, climbing mountains, or simply providing a safe haven in unpredictable regions, this vehicle sets a new benchmark for what an armored camper can achieve. Toyota has once again proven why it is one of the most innovative automotive manufacturers in the world. With the Sprinter 6x6 armored camper, it has not just created a product but a lifestyle, appealing to those who refuse to settle for ordinary adventures. This camper is more than transportation. It is security, freedom, and comfort wrapped into one unstoppable machine. For anyone seeking the ultimate adventure companion, the 2026 Toyota Sprinter 6x6 armored camper is the answer. It represents the future of exploration, where boundaries no longer exist and safety meets luxury at every turn. This is not just about reaching a destination, but about conquering every journey with confidence, strength, and style.